So what's up guys, welcome to the Cordova app development course. So first of all I will create one folder on the desktop and I will name this as a Cordova. Okay, so basically this is my folder where I will be storing everything. So now what I'll do, I will create one file. I will say Cordova commands, and inside of this file you will find all the commands that are used by me. Okay, so basically you will find this file inside of this folder. I'll be giving you guys all this code and folders that are used by me. So first of all, let me go to the documentation is the place where you will find all the required code and instructions. Click on create your first step. Now I'll show you how to create your first step. Okay, and since we have already installed Cordova with the help of the Node.js and everything, uh, we don't have to look at this part. So now what we will do is we will use this command to create a Cordova directory. Okay, so first of all I will go to search and I will search for my command prompt. I will open this command prompt by clicking or double clicking on it. Okay, so now my current directory is the users, then Diksha Maker. Basically this is the system of my sister, so her name is appearing. So now I want to change my directory to the desktop. Okay, so I will say cd desktop. Okay, so this is my first command, and after that you will see the desktop appearing over here after backslash. Okay, so now I have changed my directory to the desktop. Okay, so you should be creating your directory on the desktop. So first command what is typed by me is cd desktop. I will show you how to do that. Cd desktop, this is my first command. Okay, this is my first command, and after that this is my second command. Okay, so you have to just copy this and come to your command prompt and paste it over here, which says Cordova create hello, and little bit of space is there. Okay, Cordova space create space hello space then com dot example dot hello space then the hello world. Okay, so what this command says is let me just copy this command over here also. I will paste that command over here. So now as can be seen, it says Cordova create hello. Okay, so when I say Cordova create hello, it will be creating a directory. So this will basically create directory named hello on your desktop. Okay, so basically you will find one folder on your desktop named as hello, and com.example dot hello is basically the reverse domain naming process. You can even give the your name over here. Okay, I will say Akshay. This is like giving name of your website in the reverse order. I will say Akshay Maker. Okay, so whatever you want you can give, or you can just give your name and dot hello. So over here you can give name of this folder, or you can just keep it the way it is. So I will give the name as my app, and on the desktop there is one folder named my app will be created, and I will give that very same name over here, which is my app. Okay, and this hello world is basically name of your app. Okay, so I want to give name of my app as Divergent. Okay, Divergent is basically a name of my startup. So I will copy this command now. Okay, I will copy this command and I will paste it over here instead of this ready-made command. You will find this ready-made command on the desktop. I will say Cordova create my app, and it will create folder named my app on the desktop. And this is a reverse domain naming process, which is com.akshay dot name of your app, and this is the real name of your app, the name what you want to show on your app. Okay, and after that click on enter. It will take little bit of time for directory to be created on your desktop. Okay, so just be patient and wait for a while. It is saying creating a new Cordova project, and once you see the command prompt cursor, then you could say that your folder has been created. Okay, so now you are getting this command, that means folder has been created. Now I will minimize this and minimize this also, and as can be seen on the desktop, I'm getting this folder which is my app. Okay, so this is the folder that is created by this command. Okay, so we have executed this command and it has created the folder on the desktop named my app, and name of my app is Divergent, and this is the reverse domain naming process. Okay, so now I will be going to my folder which is my app, and inside of this I have this hooks, platforms, plugins, then www folder, then config.xml, then the package.json file. So this hooks folder is just for namesake, we won't be making use of this. And when it comes to the platforms, inside of the platforms we have to add platforms. Okay, if you are creating app for Android, you have to add Android platform, and that Android platform would be appearing over here. Okay, as of now this is empty. Okay, so now in the future when I'll be adding the Android platform, you will see that platform over here. And if you are creating for iOS, you have to add that iOS platform over here. If you are creating app for Windows, you have to add that Windows platform over here. Okay, so all these platforms will be stored over here. And now when it comes to the plugins, if you are working with Cordova, you can use the camera plugin, then the gallery plugin. Camera is basically plugin is basically used to access the camera of your phone through your app. And there are a lot many other plugins like finding the location, geolocation plugin. There are a lot many plugins are there. All those plugins will be stored over here. And next is www folder. This is our main folder, and inside of this we will be storing our css files will be stored inside of this css folder, and the images will be stored inside of this image folder, and javascript files will be stored inside of this javascript folder. And this is our main file index.html, which is actually accessed by our app. Okay, so the main code should be going inside of this index.html page. And config.xml page is basically used to configure something. So if you are going and opening this inside of the node++, you will see the content of config.xml, which is basically used to add platforms and everything. Okay, so this is like you can change the name of your app from this config file. And if you are using logos for your app, then you can provide those logos from this config.xml file. And last is this package.json file, which is basically used during the building process. And this is having other required information. JSON is basically one of the language that is used. And whenever you are creating your release apk file, that time this package.json file is used. Okay, so as of now we won't be going in depth. This is the name of our app which we have given during the command, and this is the display name, which is Divergent, which I have specified inside of my command, and everything is stored over here. Okay, all the data. So this is all about how we can create our folder. So now let me just close this folder, and I will close notepad also. So now let me show you how to add platform. Okay, so I'm going to that website, and if you are not adding the platforms, then your app won't work. Okay, if you are not adding the platform for Android, your app won't work on the Android platform or on the Android devices. If you are not adding platform like iOS, whatever app that is created by you won't work on the iOS platform. Okay, so adding platform is important. So once you have created a directory on the desktop, I have created this directory my app. Okay, so third step is we have to change our directory to that particular directory, which is my app. So I will say cd my app. Okay, so this is required. You have to follow these commands in this order only. So now I will come over here and I will say cd my app. Okay, so now I am inside of my my app directory. Okay, so if you are going to the desktop, and now I'm inside of this particular directory, as can be seen. And now if I'm just double clicking on this, it says users, Diksha Maker, desktop, and my apps. And I'm having that same address over here, users, Diksha Maker, desktop, and my app. Okay, so now I will add the platforms, and whatever platform that I add will be stored inside of this particular folder. As of now this folder is empty, But now if I'm saying I'm building app for Cordova, this Android, so I will copy this, and this is our fourth command. Okay, so this is our fourth command, which is Cordova platform add Android. I'll come over here and I will paste it, and it will be adding the appropriate files that are needed by me. Just wait for a while. Okay, so now as can be seen, execution of this command is over. I'm getting this command line. So now if I'm just going inside of these platforms, now I'm having this Android folder over here. Okay, so when you see this Android folder, that means your Android platform has been added. So now it is containing some files and all. We don't have to go inside of this. Okay, so the only thing that is important over here is if you are not adding this Android platform, your app won't be running on your Android phone. Okay, so because of which I have added this. So now what I'll do is I will go to my www folder, and now I will just clicking on this index.html file. Then this is the output what I'm getting. Okay, so now let me show you how this will look on your cell phone. Okay, so I will just decrease the size. So basically this is the this is the width of your cell phone, and this is how things will be shown on your cell phone. Okay, you will get this logo and it will say Apache Cordova and connecting to the device. This is the thing what you will get. Okay, but if I'm now adding this page, I will just right click and say edit with notepad, and this green part that you see, this is actually not required. This is these are commands. I will remove this. If you are keeping it that way only, also it won't make any change. Okay, so I will change this header one to say Akshay's app, and now I will save this. Okay, and I will come to my page and I will refresh it, and it says Akshay's app. So basically this is how you will be getting your app. Okay, this is the output what you will see on your app when you will be installing it on your cell phone. So basically we will only see what are the things that are required by us inside of this documentation. That's it, we won't be going in depth. Now everything is done. We have installed our Android platform over here inside of the platforms. Then you can go and write your code inside of the index.html, put images inside of this image folder, css file in a css folder, and JS file inside of this JS folder. And once you are done writing your code, everything and all, then what you have to do is just right click on this. Okay, and now we are making use of the WinRAR. Okay, so these options that you see over here, these are provided by the WinRAR, which is installed by us in previous tutorials. So click on this, add to archival, and click on this option. Okay, zip. So after that it will be creating a zip file. Click on OK, and now it is compressing that file. Okay, so now as can be seen, I'm getting this file which is my app.zip. Okay, so we will be making use of this file to upload. So now what you have to do is just go to this build phone gap. Just type out build phone gap, and this first step that you see, build.phonegap.com, you have to go to this website, and from this website you will be learning how to build your apps. Okay, so click on sign in. First of all, you have to sign up if you are new, and if you are an old user, you just have to sign in over here. Click on continue with Google if you have already signed in Google account, and it will be directly helping you to log in. Okay, so after that you will see this kind of structure over here. Click on this private, click on upload a zip file, and now we have to upload that zip file which is there on the desktop. Okay, so click on desktop and just search for that zip file. Okay, uh, this is that file which is my app.zip. I will click on that and I will say open, and now it can be seen down below over here, beneath this pointer, it is getting uploaded. It is 30% uploaded. Just make sure, as long as this is not getting 100%. This upload percentage actually depends on your net speed, so just wait for a while and let this get completed. Okay, so now it will build your app. So this website is really very helpful to create your app without you having to do anything. So now our app is ready to build. Name of our app is Divergent. Click on ready to build. And now click on this Android, and now our APK file will be getting downloaded. You just have to transfer this file on your cell phone and install it. Okay, so now if I'm just clicking on this show in folder, this is my file. Okay, so you just have to transfer this file inside of your cell phone and install this file on your cell phone, and it will be getting executed, and you will see the output. You will see let me show you what output you will see. Okay, so now if I'm just going to my index file and executing my index file, so basically this is the output what you will see. Okay, so whatever code that you write inside of the index.html file, same output you will get on your cell phone. Okay, so now you can go to your downloads, and this is the APK file, divergent-debug. So you just have to transfer this all on your cell phone, and you just have to open it, and it will be showing you exact this output. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was all about how to create your app.